Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk English Fluently, and if you're new here, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I'm back with a new series of English lessons, and this time, we're diving into A2 level. If you're starting here and haven't checked out the A1 lessons yet, no worries. I put the link to the A1 series right up here for you, so you can easily access it. We'll be dropping a new short video every day, so stick with me and let's tackle the A2 level together.
Home appliances and devices.
Alarm clock.
A device used to sound an alert at a preset time. I set my alarm clock for 7 a.m. to wake up early.
Equipment.
Tools or devices used for specific tasks or functions. The kitchen equipment includes pots, pans, and utensils.
Device.
A machine or tool designed for a specific function. My phone is a handy device for communication and entertainment.
Loudspeaker.
An electronic device that amplifies sound for larger audiences. We used a loudspeaker to make the announcement.
Camera.
A device for capturing images or videos. She used her camera to take photos during the trip. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time to ring the bell so you don't miss the rest of the videos.
Dishwasher.
A machine for cleaning dishes and utensils. I loaded the dishwasher after dinner.
Washing machine.
A device for washing clothes and linens. I need to run the washing machine for a load of laundry.
Oven.
A kitchen appliance used for baking or roasting food. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit before baking the cake.
Coffee maker.
A device that brews coffee by heating water. The coffee maker is broken, so I'll use instant coffee today.
Toaster oven.
A small oven used for toasting or baking small items. I heated my sandwich in the toaster oven for a quick lunch.
Air conditioner.
A system for controlling the temperature and humidity indoors. We turn on the air conditioner when it gets hot.
Heater.
A device that produces heat to warm a space. We need to use the heater in the winter.
Radio.
A device that receives and plays audio broadcasts. I listen to the radio while driving to work.
Telephone.
A device for transmitting voice communications over a distance. I used the telephone to call my friend yesterday.
Line.
A physical or wireless connection for communication or power. The phone line was disconnected during the storm.
Hair dryer.
A device for drying hair by blowing hot air. She uses a hair dryer after washing her hair.
Fan.
A device that circulates air to cool a space. We turned on the fan because it was too hot.
Vacuum cleaner.
A device for cleaning floors by section. I used the vacuum cleaner to clean the living room carpet.
Iron.
A device that removes wrinkles from fabric with heat. He ironed his shirt before the meeting.
Remote control.
A device used to operate electronics from a distance. She used a remote control to change the TV channel.
Smoke detector.
A device that senses and alerts for smoke. The smoke detector went off when the toast burned.
To turn on.
To activate or start a machine or device. Please turn on the TV so we can watch the news.
To turn off.
To deactivate or stop a machine or device. Don't forget to turn off the lights when you leave.
To work.
To function correctly, referring to machines or systems. The air conditioner doesn't work properly, it needs repairs.
Broken.
Not functioning or damaged. The washing machine is broken and needs fixing. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time to ring the bell so you don't miss the rest of the videos.
To use.
To operate or apply a device or object for a purpose. I use the blender to make smoothies every morning.
System.
A set of connected parts forming a whole or functioning unit. The security system in our building is state-of-the-art.
To repair.
To fix something that is damaged or not functioning. The technician came to repair the broken dishwasher.
Flashlight.
A portable light powered by batteries. He used a flashlight during the power outage.
Carpet.
A thick fabric floor covering. The carpet in the living room needs cleaning.
Furniture.
Objects like chairs, tables, and beds used to furnish a space. We bought new furniture for the apartment last month. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're not already part of the channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos. Don't forget to ring the bell to be the first to catch my next uploads. Thanks for sticking around till the end.